Hello everyone, my name is Prashit Mandal. I am from Construction Background Part in Knowledge of Engineering and Technology Nagpur from Civil Branch in Insight. So today is our topic in DSS. So our first question is terminal industrial factor of circular level. So this is our circular section. So we have to find the given is the radius of this circle. This is R small r. So now we first find the shape factor. So shape factor formula is Sm is equal to Zp by Z. So Zp is equal to A by 2 bracket I by 1 plus I by 2 bracket complete. So first of all, I is equal to 4I into I. So now Zp is equal to A by 2 bracket Y by 1 plus Y by 2. Now we put all the values. So A area is equal to 5 and 4 it is here. Now upon D upon 2. So we put 22. Now y1 plus 22. We put the y level 4r1 3 and 5 plus 4r1 3 5. Right complete. So now we calculate this to zp is equal to d2 by 6. Now we consider this, then we get the answer of zp is equal to 0.6 dq. Then next we find the z. Z is equal to I by 1. Now again, y is equal to d by 2 and I is equal to 5d to power 4 by 60. This is our given value. So now we put in some formula, then it be 5d to power 4 by 64 divided by d to the power 2. Like this formula, we put all the values. Now we solve it. Pi plus multiply. So pi d into power 4 by 64 into 2 by d. Now we solve again. So we get 2 pi d to the power 4 by 64d. Then we get the answer was usually is equal to 0.9 d to d cube. So now we get the ZP value, ZD value. Now we have calculated the SM. SM is equal to ZP by ZD. So ZP by ZD, all the value we have put here is equal to ZP is equal to 0.16 d cube by 0.9 d cube. So we solving the answers and the get the SM is equal to 1.632. This is our shape factor of this circular solution. Thank you.